It's okay. It's okay. It's just a simple question, that's all. Hey, Gregory. What's up?
Uh, hey, Freddy.
I was wondering, Gregory, if you knew anything about the birds and the bees?
Yeah, I know some stuff, but I think it's better if you actually do look online about that stuff because obviously I'm only 12.
Oh, I need to go online. Well, in that case, could you help me plug in the cable then?
Yeah, way ahead of you, buddy.
Oh, that's cold.
There you go, buddy. You should be all set.
Uh, Thank you, Gregory. Now, if you excuse me, I will be back.
If anything happens, I will unplug it. Okay? Yeah, you'll be fine. Are you okay, Freddy?
What the fuck was that? Oh.
Well, that's what sex is, Freddy. It's exactly that. That's the bird and the bees.
It was a damnation to hell of mankind, that's what that was.
Oh, Freddy Pooh, I need your help with something.
A female. Stay away from me!
What's his problem? Oh, you know, he searched up something he wasn't supposed to search up.